The scientific word for this, for the lifting of the arch and the flattening of the arch, the lifting would be called supination and the flattening would be called pronation. And when you hear somebody over pronating, that means they're really flattening the foot a lot when they walk. So that's what over pronation is. You may have heard that before. Now, the interesting thing is it goes on with the upper body too. And the hand and the arm can also pronate and supinate. And you can do this if you want. And the pronation is turning the arm. So if you're facing forward and if you turn your arm, the back of your hand would turn forward. And then supinating would be turning the arm the other way. So the palm of the hand would be forward. And if you can look, I'm very close to knocking this guy over. If you can look, when the hand is supinated, the bones are kind of parallel to each other. And when you turn them over, he doesn't really want to do it. But as you turn them over, they'll actually cross. They actually cross at one point and uncross. So with this pronation, maybe on this other arm, you can see it a little better, but this one bone will actually cross in front of the other bone. And then when you turn it the other way, it uncrosses. So we're going to work with that a little bit today. And then what I said with the, with the foot and the pronation and the supination is the flattening would be pronating, and feeling that arch lift like this would be supinating. And then if you look, this guy's not real good because he's bolted on. But these two bones, the tibia and the fibula, the smaller bone will rotate a little bit around the bigger bone. So like these two bones in the forearm, the ulna and the radius, they can move in relationship to each other. You have the same thing happening on the lower part of the leg. So again, pronation, palm forward. If I hand over like that, this is pronation, this is supination. And you can keep your elbow still and you can movement from the forearms. Or if you choose, you can make the movement and involve your whole arm, but you can feel, you can keep your elbow still and just create this crossing and uncrossing of the two bones, again, to pronate, to supinate. And we're going to use this today on both our hands and our feet and see how that goes. And that's it for the video.